Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how we can solve the issue if your Huawei FreeBuds SE to the left or right earbud they are not working. So what you want to do is you want to put both of them to the case, and when you're going to have them in a case, you want to have it like this, and then you want to press the right side and press the left side of the earbuds, like here. Do you see it? Like here. Now when you're going to press it and you're going to hold it for like 15 seconds, what will happen is that the white light on the bottom will start changing to the red one. So I will show you how it works. See, right now they are being factory resetted. And this is how you're going to do it. Now you're going to close it and try it out if it's going to work now. So this is how you can factory reset the Huawei FreeBuds SE 2. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you're having a great day. And goodbye.